Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will explain what diagnostic codes 91 and 92 mean and how to troubleshoot the associated gate reversal or stoppage. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. Diagnostic code 91 indicates a force reversal. Code 92 indicates a force reversal on the secondary operator of a dual linear actuator system where both arms are wired to a single control board. A force reversal typically means the gate has attempted to move in the open or closed direction and was stopped when it encountered a physical obstacle or resistance. The gate reverses to the fully open or fully closed position. If upon reversing the gate encounters a second obstacle, this is a double entrapment. The same code will occur, accompanied by an alarm that will sound for 5 minutes. To resolve the issue, press the reset button to shut the alarm off if it's sounding. Check for and remove any obstructions and debris in the gate's path. Adjust the limits and force. Always perform the obstruction test after making any adjustments. Refer to the manual to learn how to perform the obstruction test. If these measures don't resolve the problem, disconnect power to the operator. Disconnect the gate from the operator and make sure the gate is able to move freely and that hinges, wheels, and all other hardware is working correctly. Make sure the gate and gate operator were installed correctly and the gate meets the specification requirements for the operator. Check for a damaged operator part such as a chain, sprocket, gear reducer, or motor. Replace parts if necessary. Once you've taken corrective action, reconnect power and run the operator to confirm the error condition has been corrected. If it has, the diagnostic display will show blank. When you finish servicing an operator, be sure to access the diagnostic code history and clear it. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Be sure to check out our other products and accessories when you visit us on the web at liftmaster.com.